Suarez, you can proceed with your next question.
RD, PD, maybe you can ask your personnel to be more cooperative. Is this the expected decorum that the House will receive from PNP officials and resource persons?
Your Honor, they are well informed na ito po yung tatakbuhin ng ng hearing na to, and I mentioned to them na mga tanong is ito yung lilinyahin. But of course, hindi rin po naman natin din na pwedeng ipagsalang-alang sa din yung karapatan nila, Your Honor.
Mukhang nakapag-briefing na rin sila, Chairman Ako, pero. So, you know what, Mr. Chair, kaya po mahalaga po para sa atin ito